You're not playing.
Another young one. There.
Oh, there you go.
May marunong pala kumutong si Eden.
Talking to Prince now, are we?
Eden, bago niya. Oh, no! Oh, look! So blue! Nice!
Fresh Prince, that is. Will Smith.
Oh, yeah, the eyeliner. Isn't it? Eyeshadow, I don't know. What's that? Eyeliner.
Let me see. Is it washable? Is it washable? It's washable?
Yeah, it should be.
It stays forever.
Galing mo. Where is it sa taas lang?
What's this? Why do I see your belly?
Hindi pa nauubos yung kinakain mo?
No, panibago yan.
Ha?
Pag nasa sala ako.
Alam mo habang nandun yung mga bata sa ano?
Malabnaw pa ngayon ang natin. Sir, ma'am. Actually, this one.
Lagyan mo muna ng ano, bago mo lagyan yan. Ah, okay.
Oh.
Dito mo.
See how everyone has bouncing right now? Oh, which is awesome.
Game na ba? Game?
Tumama na ba kayo ng malaki? 2,000. 2,000. Tapos sa ano naman? Dito lang sa atin ng senior.
Problema ka ba nila? Nawala naman.
Oh guys, remember we're gonna be up by 6:30 by 7. Yeah, and you guys don't look up like 2:30. That's why I like resort sort of. Resort is like
Hopefully less than 5K.
like your body so used to.
Oh, this is 33.
Your hair? Just chill, you know.
It's not here. We're looking at that bad. I'm nervous for this.
That hurts. It hurts. That hurts. That one's gonna feel like burning.
Remember when I coughed you?
What happened right here?
The worst.
This one's the worst. It hurts. It hurts. The one behind your neck and behind your ears doesn't hurt.
Oh, his heart.
All right here.
Wait, this was easy though. Like, I didn't even think it really hurt.
This one hurts the most.
Oh yeah. I'm not getting my wrist.
This is my first tattoo as well. It hurts
Should I
so
get my
much.
sleeve? Maybe my whole chest.
Before I was on my sleeves up for like 1,500. Now it's gonna be like 4,000. 1,500 for a good one.
Only 1.5.
Meron na.
What's the number?
27!
Hello! Lock mo yan! Lock mo yan!
Hoy!
I don't know. Stay away from the water.
Meron yan. Ano ko na yan? Nararamdaman ko na eh.
Really? Meron na eh. Kailangan na mag-uwi na. Wala. Nandito si Mali.
$5.
$5. Wala na kayo sa $5. Okay.
Yeah, pwede na yan.
Ako na! Ako na! Ito ng Grand Rapids ako. Meron ka dalawa. Dalawa! Ang hirap ko! Dalawang Starbucks!
Oh, yeah, let's switch.
Baka natatalo eh. Wala pa kang sabi na buhay eh.
Pakiramdaman ko yung hangin. No, I didn't slow it.
Ano pa yung tara? Yung naman ito oh. 45! Wala!
Pababa na ako ng pababa eh. Wala pa rin.
Ay, gano'n? Marami na
No, don't believe it.
70. Nakuha na. Wala. Wala. Matagal na ito kanina ba ito dito eh.
Sarap na tira! Dito na lang kami.
Ay, isa pa. Ay, di pa.
8. Tell you.
29.
29. Wow. Wala.
Yeah! Wala!
Alas. I'll do 8. Nandiyan si ano si
Tinignan niya yung message ni Rito sa kanila.
13 minutes. Umpisa na.
Ang kakano pa.
Started.
Hindi ko alam. Bakit text?
Oo nga. Oh,
Umpisa yung text.
Sino yan?
Yung text na kala si Daria. Kala pala sinens ko rin yung paano
Put a louder. Put a louder.
Paano to dinitin?
Oh, see.
Susan!
Susan.
Oh, yun yung sinabi siya.
Ilan taon na siya, Pepe?
Sana lahat ka malakas. Para makauwi ka dito, banding-banding.
Banding ha?
Happy birthday na
Who's that?
Yesterday, parang nag-treat na today. Happy birthday, Nana. I love you. Enjoy your birthday.
Ano to? Jamil na.
Happy birthday! At least nakaabot ka ng 90. Bonus na ni Lord yan. I miss you. Kailan ang punta ulit sa Pilipinas. I love you. God bless you. Ingat-ingat ka lagi. Hindi nagbabago mukha mo. Lalo kang gumaganda. Love you, love you. Hi, Belly! Happy birthday! Birthday, 90 years old ka na, pero malakas ka pa rin. Hi, Makso! Happy birthday! Birthday ulit! Bye! God bless!
Happy birthday, Lola Pipay. Ang pinkanunay diya. Mga pinkanunay.
Happy birthday.
Birthday po ulit, Nay!
Many more birthday to come. Lagi na happy birthday.
Ayun, sa likod.
Kailangan bawas yung ano yung padala yung kay June.
Ay, na June!
Wonderful and truly amazing memory.
Di ba? Yung kainin niya lang.
Tingnan yung camera. Ako nagkakal. Kahit saan!
Wherever you like, grandmother.
Pag umara yung cake, ay problema nyo na yun. Na!
Yan.
Yan! Yes! Yes! Oh, pahaba.
Oh, she
Yan.
has a line.
Ang galing. May OCD rin pala. Ay, hindi. Isa sa OCD.
Pwede na yan?
Yeah! Ang laki naman ng size. Huwag din mabigay sa akin yan. Nakakahiya na. Mukhang laki-laki.
Get a plate, get a plate.
That's enough. Okay. Maliit na squares lang, Nay. Yan.
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 Ganyan.
Yan. Oh. Yeah, ipipikain mo na lang. Yan! Ang galing ng pagkat, wala nga OCD.